Welcome. If you want to get this cool iOS launcher on your Honor 9X, so right now I'm gonna show you how to get it. So for the first I'm going to delete this application, because this is the application we are going to download. Okay, and as you can see right now it looks like the MUI launcher. I mean it is the MUI launcher. So right now we have to enter the Play Store, and then we have to click on the search and type here iOS launcher and just get this application, iOS Launcher 13 from the Lutin developer. Right now click on the open. Click allow. And then just go back to main screen, and as you can see it doesn't change, right? So we have to go back to our launcher, click here on the left upper corner, then tap on the reload launcher, click OK, and right now click OK once again. Right here select the iOS launcher, click on it, we got it, and as you can see here is our launcher. So for example we can change this icon and add it here. And if you want to get this notification bar from the iPhone, we have to enter the Play Store once again and get this control center from the Lutin developer also. Click install. Right now let's click on the open. Use this switcher, then just go back, scroll 2 times, and right now we have to turn off this ad. Okay, and we can check if it is working, so we have to request the permission. So use it once again, and right now just swipe from the right edge of your smartphone, and the notification bar is also here. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.